Hey everybody, welcome to Tech Talk and Ginger. Today is going to be a fun day, something I've been excited to show you guys. We're going to look at the AirTag and we're going to see what it can all be used for and what fun things we can do. And we're going to have an overlook of what Apple says it does and how it works, and we're going to have a lot of fun with it. So without further ado, Apple AirTags coming right up, right after this intro. Alright, let's get into this unboxing today, guys. So this is Apple's AirTag. Very small little box. Not a whole lot to it, must I say. Now let's see how the unboxing is for this. Oh man, not the easiest thing to unbox, I'll tell you that. It's quite glued. I don't think there's a super delicate, pretty way of unboxing this. Don't know if there was a nicer way to really do it. Looks like maybe. Oh, look at that. Well, there you guys go. Don't do it the way I did it. See what you get here. Instructions. FCC. Filing, all that. Safety first. Alright, let's get into the nice fancy stuff. And look at that. Look at that little keychain looking sucker right there. Set this aside. Isn't that just the prettiest little... Oh, look at that. Pull tab. She's activated. Batteries are going. Isn't that just cute? Shiny. There's the camera. Alright, that's your unboxing. Now let's find out what this thing can all do and go up top. See you guys in a bit. Alright, you guys, so you seen the unboxing. You've seen the pretty little Apple AirTag. So once you've opened it and you've pulled the tab, you'll get a notification on your phone, just like so. Don't know if you can see that very well, but it says pair your Apple AirTag. I don't know. Pretty hard to see, white on white. But you're gonna click connect, and you're gonna name your AirTag. So let's say you're gonna have one for like your car keys. You can name it car key AirTag. Another one if you wanna keep track of your child, make sure they're not getting kidnapped or some crazy shit. You know, you can name it your daughter's name, Tracker, or whatever. Put it on a dog's collar, and keep track of them. Maybe you got a cheating spouse. Slip this in her purse, find out where the hell she's been. I don't know what we're gonna name it. I don't really want to set it up right now. Got a lot of plans and probably gonna need a few more AirTags. So guys, be ready for that. It's gonna be fun. So let's take a look here. So here on Apple's website, they say, Deborah's keys, here. Shows you a screen. Maybe I'll get a screen recording up of this. So AirTag is a super easy way to keep track of your stuff. Attach one to your keys, slip another in your backpack, and just like that, they're on your radar. Find My app, where can you also track you on your Apple devices and keep up with friends and family. So what they're saying is, throw it in your backpack, keep track of that expensive MacBook Pro. Or, personally, I would definitely without a doubt keep it with like an expensive camera and a Pelican, or like I said, MacBook Pro. Maybe you got an iPad. It'd be a good way to keep track of stuff. I mean, things like an iPad and MacBook Pro, they have Find My iPhone already built in, so you don't really need it unless you got other things in that backpack. But something like a really expensive camera inside of a Pelican or a pack, I would definitely keep an AirTag with it. That would make a lot of sense. Lots of nice pictures showing the little keychains you can buy to put them in, the little sleeves, silicone sleeves. Ping it, find it. Misplacing something like your wallet does have to be a big deal. Just funny that they say that, considering now there's Find My iPhone on their Apple Wallet, which we have a video of. Make sure you check that out. So, AirTag attached. You can play a sound, the built-in speaker, by going to the new items tab and Find My app, or say, "Hey Siri, find my wallet." If hiding nearby, just like under the couch or in the next room, just follow the sound and your search is over. Cold, warm, warmer, hot. If your AirTag is nearby, your iPhone can lead you straight to it with precision finding. I don't think it's quite as precision as they're saying, just so you know. We'll test that. You'll see the distance to your AirTag and the direction to head in, all thanks to ultra-wideband technology. Precision finding compatible with iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 13, and iPhone 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. Get by with a little help from hundreds of millions of friends. So this is how the tracking system works, because it's kind of running on super low power and has to last a long time, since you can't plug it in, charge it, So when you've left something far behind, like at the beach or the gym, the Find My network, hundreds of millions of iPhones, iPads, Mac devices around the world, helps track down your AirTag, and it's designed to protect your privacy every step of the way. Let's see how this works. Your AirTag sends out a secure Bluetooth signal that can be detected by nearby devices in the Find My network. These devices send the location of your AirTag to iCloud. Then you can go to the Find My app and see it on a map. The whole process is anonymous and encrypted to protect your privacy, and it's efficient, so there's no need to worry about battery life or data usage. Like I said, it's low battery power. It pings off of other iPhones, and it updates every time it's near another iPhone or whatever, showing where its new location is. So if it's in the middle of nowhere and there's no iPhones nearby, you're not going to know where it is until an iPhone passes near where it's at, and then it'll notify you and let you know where it's at. It is really handy, and it's really smart, because so many people in the United States use Apple products. It's going to be less effective in other countries. Not all, and not super less effective, but less effective. Lost mode makes finding things even easier. Just like your other Apple devices, AirTags can be put into lost mode. Then when it's detected by a device in the network, you'll automatically get a notification. You can also set it so someone can get your contact info by tapping your AirTag with an NFC-capable smartphone. That's the same technology that lets people pay for things with their phones. I wonder if you tap this to other phones with NFC that aren't Apple, if it'll still do this. Be curious to find out. They don't just say iPhone right here. Privacy is built in. Only you can see where your AirTag is. Your location, data, and history are never stored on the AirTag itself. Devices that rely on the location of your AirTag also stay anonymous, and that location data is encrypted every step of the way. So not even Apple knows the location of your AirTag or the identity of the device that helps find it. Fancy. Beautifully simple. A one-tap setup instantly connects your AirTag with your iPhone and iPad. Enter a name for your AirTag, attach it to the item you want to track, and you're good to go. Want AirTag notifications on your Apple Watch too? No problem. It is pretty easy. You do just tap it to the phone. Just put it near the phone. Long live the battery. AirTag is designed to keep going more than a year on a standard battery you can easily replace. And your iPhone lets you know when it's time to pop a new one in. Huh, you can put a battery up in this. I didn't know that. That is really nice. Talk about saving on e-waste, you guys. Good job there. Splish Splash lets you say you've tagged your keys. And oops, drop them in a puddle or they're in the path of a colossal spill. Hey, that's okay. Your AirTag is water resistant. Initial it emoji it. When you buy your AirTag from Apple.com or Apple Store app, you can have it personalized with your initials and emoji or both. It's free and easy and adds some fun. Well, that's cool. Got mine off Amazon. There'll be a link in the description below if you want to buy some AirTags. Amazon's really great. Gets it to you quick. Or if you want a custom emoji on it, obviously go on over to Apple. More colors, more fun, more you. It's easy to attach AirTags to just about anything with colorful key rings and loops from Apple AirTags. Come individually in a 4-pack. Happy tagging. I'm going to snag some of these so we can do some tests with those. It'll be a lot of fun. Alright, you guys. Looks like that's everything on Apple about it. So, we're going to have some cool tests coming up. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you like. So that way you can see the new videos coming. You're not going to want to miss it. And remember, if you want to buy an Apple AirTag, I'm telling you, they're going to be handy. I guarantee it. Make sure you hit the link in the description and snag some up. And, well, and until next time, you guys have a good night, and I'll see you in the next videos.